The AI can see your emotions, but can you see what it sees? Webcam detecting emotions in real time, colors changing, emojis appearing, confidence scores updating. What we are about to build will feel like magic. Okay, confession time. In part 1, we build the brain, the AI that sees emotions. But a brain without a face, useless. Today, we are building the face, and it's going to be a gorgeous. Beautiful gradient UI, smooth animations, real time webcam, instant emotion detection. By the end of this video, you will have a fully working webcam app, real time AI emotion detection, an interface that looks like it's from the future, and a trick that most developers don't know. Plus, I am revealing something at the end that will make this 100x cooler. I am Ramakrishna, this is TechBeast AI Hub, and we are about to build something. Let's go. First, make sure your backend from part 1 is running. Port 5000 active, good. Now let's build the front end, and I am doing this fast. Npx create React app latest. This will create our React app. Takes a minute. So let me explain something cool. Most tutorials use Tailwind or Material UI. Know what we are using? Nothing. Pure CSS. Why? You will actually learn styling. You can customize everything. It's faster to load. You are not dependent on frameworks. Done. Just one library for icons. That's it. This is the beauty of React. You don't need a million packages. npm start, and we are live. Default React page. Now let's make it legendary. Quick architecture lesson. Pay attention. Three files. app.js. This is entry point to our application. Emotion detector.js. All logic we will have here. Emotion detector.css. All styles we will add here. This is how professionals structure code. Logic separate from styles. One component, one purpose. Clean, maintainable, scalable. Let's build it. Create the files first. Open src. Inside add .js, add emotion detector.css. Open app.js, remove inside the return, and remove the first line. Import emotion detector from emotion detector. And return the component. Simple. Done in 5 lines. Import React from React. 7 lines. That's it. This is our entry point. Beauty and simplicity. Now the real work. Open emotion detector.js file and import the required things. React hooks for state, refs for DOM axis, and icons for beauty, and CSS for style. Now start the component, and these are the variables which we are going to use in our component. Is steaming. This will tell our camera on or off. And emotion, AI results, loading, processing state, error messages, and API status, backend connection. These are the state variables. Now ref variables. Refs give us direct DOM access, critical for webcam. Check backend connection, use effect, fetch. I'm using HTTP localhost colon 5000 GALTH. This is the API which we wrote in our backend to check result res.ok. Then we are set at status connected, or else set app status error dot catch. We are catching the set API status same error, and the dependency was empty array. This will check our backend is running or not. Yes, it is alive. It is hitting health API. Now webcam function. This is cool. Const start webcam async. We are using async function here. We are using try catch blocks also. Const stream equal to await navigator dot media devices dot get user media. Here video, we are taking width as 640, comma height 480. And again video ref, we will take an current dot src object equal to stream. We are assigning here stream ref dot current, we are assigning stream. Again set streaming true, and interval ref dot current, we are assigning set interval of capture and detect, comma we are giving 2 seconds. And in the error, in the catch, we are setting error to camera access denied. This error will show because we didn't wrote this function now. Here simple, browser asks for camera permission. If yes, we stream video every 2 seconds. We capture and analyze simple. Now stop webcam. Const stop webcam. If stream ref dot current stream ref dot current dot get tracks, then for each track dot stop function, and clear interval ref dot current, we are setting to that, and set streaming, we are making false, set emotion also making null. This is how stop webcam have to write. Clean shutdown, always clean up your resources. Now the core function where image meets AI, that is const capture and detect. This is async function, and const video ref dot current, and const canvas ref dot current, and const context canvas dot get context of 2D, and canvas dot width, we are giving video width width, and canvas dot height video height. Again context, okay, context dot draw image of video, 0, 0, canvas dot width, canvas dot height, and also const image data canvas start to data URL like image or JPEG. Series, we are drawing a video frame onto a canvas, then converting that canvas into as image. This is how we capture a snapshot. Continue, then set loading true, and try H. const response equal to await fetch http colon local host colon 5000 slash detect hyphen emotion. This is our backend API, and we have to send headers for that method, that is post and headers. We have to send content type as application or JSON, and body JSON dot stringify of image into image data. Now const data equal to await response dot JSON. If data dot success, set emotion to data, set error empty, and come to else part, set error to no face detected. In the catch block, set again error to backend connection failed. And also we have to add finally block to set loading false. Send image to AI, get motion back, update UI. Done. Now the UI. Watch how we structure this. Class name Python container, class name header, class name title section. Here smile size 48, and this is like self closed element. Below h1 AI Emotion Detector, and then here again div class name status container, inside again one more div class name. Yeah, how to render here status iPhone dot API status span API status equal to connected backend connected or else disconnected. Clear header with status indicator. Now grid section, class name grid container, inside again one more div, this is class name card, inside h2 emoji name camera, size 24, live camera feed, div class name video container, inside video ref equal to video ref and autoplay and play inline muted. Inside is streaming and div class name no camera overlay, video of size 4 div close. Again loading and div class name loading PADG loading batch, refresh queue, class name spin icon, analyzing again. Now canvas ref canvas ref style display none. One more div class name contain button container inside if is not streaming use button otherwise on click start webcam disable API status equal to error class name ptn hyphen start video self closing size equal to 20 start camera and here also same way stop webcam no disable is required class name stop camera then here button on click window dot location dot reload class name btn hyphen refresh to size 20 and then the last below of this error and div will add here class name error hyphen box here alert circle size 20 let me format this and explain video card with webcam feed buttons that change based on state and error handling. Okay, now div h2 zap icon, zap size 24, emotion analysis, this class name card, below write emotion mark, then here insert this we'll add div, class name emotion card, style border, color emotion dot color, inside again div emotion dot emoji, and for this class name emoji, below of this h3 we'll take here class name emotion name, here emotion dot dominant underscore emotion, below again div class name confidence value, style color emotion dot color, and here emotion dot confidence percentage, and below of this we'll add p confidence level, now again div class name analysis, this is section h4 detailed analysis, below of this we'll add object dot entries emotion dot all underscore emotion dot map of name comma conf take this div here key name we will take, and class name will give emotion bar, div class name emotion bar header, inside span name span conf percentage, and below this we'll add not div inside class name progress bar bg div again class name progress bar style will give width dollar conf percentage, come on, background color emotion dot color. Here again colon, I have to put again one more places inside div. Here this div class name place folder. Here again smile size 96 will give p inside is streaming then position your face, otherwise start camera to detect emotion. If you format this, it came to 1216 lines, but if you minimize this, it will come to 150 lines, around 150 lines. This is our full emotion detector.js file. Now let's make it beautiful. This is where we go from functional to legendary. I'm going to show you the key sections. The rest is in the GitHub repo. Open emotion detector.css. I'm adding entire styles here. In this, I will show you now the key sections. App.container. See this line, this background line. Look at this gradient, instant premium feel it will give. And animations, if you see in the bottom, these are the animations. Watch the emoji bounce in. Watch the loading icon spin smooth. Button hover effects. Buttons lift when you hover, feels premium. Progress bar, card, responsive design, all in CSS file. Check GitHub for full code. The point is, pure CSS can look incredible if you know what you are doing. Moment we have been waiting for. Backend is running, frontend is also running. Let's test this. Look at this interface. Gorgeous gradient, clean cards, status connected. Camera permissions allowed. And we are live. Watch this screen. Analyzing, natural 94.15%, happy 87 point. See that confidence level also it is showing. Look at the progress bars also. Sad. Surprised 44.55%. See that colors also it is changing. This is real time AI emotion detecting, working perfectly. Look at that. Smooth animations, instant updates, color coding emotions, progress bars, showing all emotions. Clean error handling also. This is production ready code. Remember that secret I promised. Here is it. Change the backend to detect age and gender. Add this to the frontend. See, age, gender, race, emotion, which we added here. Now we have to add in our frontend. Just copy this. Paste here. Change it to age. Remove this. We'll check in the UI. See, now we were able to see the age also in the below of the confidence level 26. It is correct. One modification completes demographic analysis. You could add emotion history tracking, save screenshots, record emotion over time, create emotion heat maps, multiple face detections, and all. But this is for you to build. This is your project now. Look what we build. Real-time webcam app, AI motion detection, beautiful responsive UI, production ready code. This is just project 2 of 20. Next, we are going to do so many projects. Like, if this was valuable, subscribe for the next 18 projects. Comment what AI project you want next. Start the GitHub repo. Share with your friends who is learning AI. You now have the skills to build AI powered web apps. Use them. Build something crazy. Tag me when you do. I'm Ramakrishna. This is TechBeast AI Hub and we are just getting started.